Hello guys, and welcome to this reaction video. Now in this one I'm going to be checking out the top 5 most savage airsoft headshots. Let's check this out.
Snipers are the subject of myths,
that's right in the
legends
throat as
and
well.
Hollywood melodrama. The best in the game are masters of stealth, concealment and precision shooting. But when it comes to taking an enemy down, the holy grail of sniping is the headshot.
In the skin as well.
It's the most difficult shot to achieve, the smallest target, but when they hit, it is the most effective way of neutralising the opponent. In Airsoft, they are impossible to ignore, and if they are not seen coming, can leave the enemy player dazed and confused as they walk back to their regen.
Oh.
Skullcracker.
Flipping hell. Oh my god.
Revered by marksmen, feared by opponents. Headshots divide the airsoft community, and with the emergence of a woke airsoft justice warrior aggressively pushing their progressive morals and calling for them to be banned, they remain a controversial subject. And with so many great takedowns this year, it's been hard to narrow it down. But welcome to my top 5 most savage headshots of 2019.
I bet that really hurts. I bet that really hurts.
They see your head first, even if they aim for your chest, even if they aim for your waist, not necessarily being shot on purpose. Be aware, there's nothing wrong with your
spiffy.
head, it goes in.
You can shoot me in the head.
What you want through airsoft.
Right, let's get things underway. In at number 5, and taking place at one of my favourite fields in the UK, Reforger Airsoft, this one I'm calling the stiff upper lip.
Oh man. That's right in the mouth as well.
Next up, and featuring 3 boomers in a row, this makes it in because it teaches an important lesson. Always take responsibility for your own protection and do not buy cheap Chinese masks off eBay. In at number 4 is the Goggle Smasher.
He just took his goggles right off.
The player was very lucky to get away with that one. Right, let's move on, and a kill that was a close contender for top spots and featuring a special breed of airsofter who likes to wear face protection hanging around his neck and then complains about getting shot in the head. A headshot so savage that it caused this bearded gender neutral cheater to complain so much about it after I turned him into a thumbnail that the field banned me for sending my heavy balls into his chops. In at number 3 is the beta male snowflake.
Just trying to find him.
I come here for a fucking shootout, right? A proper shootout with some proper men. Which, this lot of fucking nonsense to a man. They're fucking nonsense. Get out your fucking way. Go on, get out. Go on, fuck off. Call yourself a fucking gangster. A shootout, right, is a fucking shootout.
That's brilliant. I love it.
Wankers.
Oh dear. In at number 2 now, and for the most of 2019, these were my number 1 headshots from a milsim in Spain. This one occurred at the end of a long stalk as I ambushed a large enemy patrol. Shooting conditions were perfect, and the flight time and holdover of these shots puts the distance at around 90 to 95 metres. Not just one hit to the dome, but 2 in a row on 2 different targets. This one is called the Spanish Takedown.
That was a good shot, but I reckon that was really painful. I was still laughing at the other video. I thought that was hilarious. Where's he going to get in then? Oh, he's not going to get the other guy, is he? Was he going to hit him? Oh man, right in the face as well. Oh my life.
Having well and truly gotten the attention of the enemy team, at the very least delaying them from reaching their objective, I used the power of my new KMCS ghillie suit to slip away into the undergrowth. That brings us on to the top spot, and it's the winner not because of any long-range accuracy. This kill was an accident that was never meant to happen, but this gets the top spot because of the player who took it. Taking not just one shot, but 200 to the face, this airsofter just laughed it off, shook my hand and got back in the game looking for revenge. In at number 1, and dedicated to an awesome chap in Austria, this is the Airsoft Dude.
200 shots to the face.
Oh, mate, are you alright? Oh, fuck.
Oh my
Oh.
god.
You okay?
Bloody hell.
Wow, just incredible. And before I go, I'd just like to say thank you all for the time you spent watching my gameplays throughout 2019. I do appreciate all of you, and that includes the trolls and Airsoft Justice
How did that hit
warriors
him?
who help send my videos viral. I've had an amazing time sharing my Airsoft adventures across the world with you all. And that brings us to the end of the top 5 most savage headshots of 2019. Do you agree with the selection? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.
Pardon me. Well, I can say that I have never tried airsoft, and I've never tried paintballing, and I don't think I will after I've seen that, because this looks real painful. And those things look like they come at you at some speed, and some of the injuries that some people get after they get hit on the back, well, anywhere really, get scars, you get hit, bruises, really bad bruises. It looks fun. This looks really fun, but if it was me, I'd go in there full armour, because I'm a wimp like that. But that guy took 200 of those things to the face. Fair play to him though, fair play to him. But if you guys enjoyed this reaction, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and please comment below of what you thought about my reaction, and I will see you lot in the next video. Enjoy your week, enjoy the rest of your day, and I will see you again very soon. Cheers guys, and take care.